In the end, I wanted to give you 3 examples. And I think, from my view, this is my 25th job in my career. So I typically don't know anything very well. But I've learned one thing is the best way to be good at something is to try. So 4 years ago when we started our focus on China, we said, what's our approach? And we stumbled and we made mistakes. A year ago we found out that there may be a different way to skin the cat. The first case here is we asked one of our global suppliers, the supplier's name is Trico, to move their wiper system operation from UK to China. I will not tell you the savings or the quality benefit, but it was minor. So this is why I say category 1. You take the existing supplier, the existing design, and just move the footprint. The better example is here we looked at the exhaust manifolds, iron castings. We changed the supplier, we kept the design, and we moved it to China. So 2 out of 3, and now you achieve twice the amount of benefit. The best example, here we looked at our base brake hub bearings. We got in contact with one of the best Chinese suppliers, and we asked them for their expertise. They changed the design, we changed the supplier, they changed the manufacturing location. And here you got 3 times the benefits. You could say, why didn't you figure this out to start with? We didn't. But after doing this after 3 years, we saw the trend line. That just moving the car from one country to another country with the same supplier didn't solve the problem. Moving the part from one supplier to another supplier didn't solve the problem. The critical element is to re-engineer the part, where you can use local raw material, you can get the best out of that supplier's manufacturing capability, and achieve benefits for both. Many times people say, Mr. Andersson, you're looking for the best deal for GM. For sure I am. But in these cases, in 2 and 3, you also gave a synergies to the supply base. Because you changed the raw material, you changed the design, and you gave that supplier more scale. If you go into Dynamate today, I think it's very clear that their open capacity is not that large. I don't want them to have open capacity. So what I'm saying to my team is, our best suppliers in China, I want us to fill them up. Because we did a lot of hard work to develop these suppliers. And we want them to be filled up. In summary, in closing, I think we are very pleased with what we see in China today. We have some of our best players on the ground here. They live in Shanghai, Beijing, and Guangzhou with their families. We are committed to work with our Chinese supply base to overcome the challenges we have. We believe in open communication at all levels of our organization. Globally, we have very frequent conference calls. Every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, we have a 10-minute call with our key people from Europe, Latin America, Asia Pacific, and North America. Sometimes it's a 2-minute call. I like that better. Sometimes it's a 20-minute call. But it's very important for us to communicate and help each other. We think we have clear expectations, but we can always be better. The way we run our business is through 119 creativity teams, quality teams, or category management teams. We think that we can do better on value engineering and value analysis of addressing the parts, and jointly work on cost reductions. We believe in transparency of cost, not price, and we are very willing to arrange workshops with our engineers and our purchasing team. Yesterday we had a review in Shanghai, and Ray Basinski, that is the Vice President of Engineering, is now staffing up the global engineering organization to support purchasing out of China. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for being invited. Thank you very much.